If you want to delete all emails from a sender on Yahoo Mail, this quick guide will show you the fastest way to do it in just a few clicks. This is a great method if your inbox is crowded with messages from one person, one service, or one company, and you want to clean things up without deleting emails one by one. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type the sender's email address exactly as it appears in the messages you want to remove. You can also type the sender name if that works better, but using the exact email address is usually the most accurate method. After entering the sender, press enter on your keyboard or use the search button to run the search. Yahoo Mail will now filter your inbox and show only the messages from that sender. Take a second to make sure the results look correct before you delete anything. This is important because it helps you avoid removing emails you actually want to keep. Next, look at the top of the email list and click the Select All checkbox. This will highlight all of the emails currently shown in the search results. If Yahoo Mail only shows a certain number of messages per page, you may need to repeat the process for additional pages until everything from that sender is selected. Once the messages are selected, click the Delete button. Yahoo Mail will move those emails to the trash folder and they will no longer appear in your inbox. If you want to free up space completely, you can also empty the trash later, but only do that once you are sure you will not need those emails again. And that is how you delete all emails from a sender on Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. This method saves time, keeps your inbox organized, and makes it much easier to manage unwanted messages. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.